Hi, I'm Brad with Alpha Refinery, right here in Hinsdale. Are you struggling with pain or performance issues that seem to just not go away? Maybe it's a shoulder that never healed, an elbow or knee that limits your game, or even performance in other areas that just leaves you frustrated. And maybe you've already tried specialists, medications, or even injections, but nothing has provided lasting results. That's why we chose Focused Shockwave Therapy, an FDA-cleared, highly specialized system trusted by over 62 Division I and professional sports teams. Now it's here in Hinsdale in a private, refined setting built for high-performing men. Here's how it works. Precision sound waves penetrate the exact area of damage, breaking up scar tissue, restoring blood flow, and triggering your body's natural repair response. The result? Less pain and stiffness, faster recovery and conditioning, stronger, healthier tissue, and for many men, improved sexual performance by improving circulation. Most men notice improvement after their first session, but true results come from completing a personalized protocol designed specifically for you. For a limited time, we're offering a package that includes your private consultation and your first treatment. If you're ready to avoid surgery, recover like an athlete, and regain your confidence, click below to book your private assessment today. I look forward to seeing you at the refinery.